Today's recipe has saved me from countless dessert emergencies, if there really is such a thing, but I think there is. It uses pantry staples, requires zero cooking, and impresses everyone. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today I'm showing you how to make my Oreo dip. There are only 5 simple ingredients and you might already have them on hand. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so to get started on our quick and simple Oreo dip, I'm going to add some cream cheese. Now this is room temperature cream cheese. I left it sit out, but the other trick when using cream cheese in a recipe like this is I use the lower fat one because it's just softer and easier to use. And I don't get all the cream cheese off of the paper and get it in there. So to our cream cheese, I'm going to add some powdered sugar, about a cup. And to that, I'm going to add some vanilla. All right, now we mix. Okay, this is like the perfect consistency. This is what you're going for. Nice and creamy and smooth. Now to this, I'm going to add in some whipped topping. Alrighty. Now you can gently fold this in with your spatula, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm going to use the mixer here because I think it will just keep putting air into the mixture. And that's what we want. We want the Cool Whip to fluff it up, to fluff up that cream cheese mixture. So nice and slow, I'm going to beat this with the beaters. All right. And now we'll just give it a stir to make sure everything on the bottom is incorporated in and mixed in with our whipped topping. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to set this aside and we're going to work on our Oreos. So here I have some Oreos in a zipper bag. I'm just gonna put them in a single layer and I'm gonna smush them using the rolling pin method. You could easily use a food processor, but I think you're gonna want them chunky for this. So you don't want it too fine. You don't want those really, really fine cookie crumbs. You wanna see big old pieces of cookie in there. So I'm using the rolling pin. It's fun. Kids love to help with this. So definitely get them involved. Going in with the handle. There, this is looking perfect. Okay. Bringing our mixture back in, I'm going to put most, but not all of these in there. I'm gonna hold some back for the top. Just like so. And fold those in. Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Perfect. All right, you guys, this is it. 5 simple ingredients. You counted them as I was adding them? That's all. Most of the stuff you may already have in your pantry and you can just whip this up super duper fast. Now you can put it in the fridge and let it tighten up a little bit. That would be perfectly fine, but I'm gonna serve this up and I am going in right now. We are almost done. Remember those reserved Oreos? Right on top. Oh yeah. Couple more. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at this, 5 ingredients, 5 minutes, and just look at that gorgeous cookies and cream swirl in there and those chunks of Oreo goodness. I love serving this with strawberries, graham crackers, pretzels, but honestly, it's amazing with just about anything. or straight from the spoon when nobody's looking. Now on that note, I'm going in. I have a graham cracker. I'm gonna get, well, now that's too big of a piece of cookie. Did I just say that? I don't even think there's such a thing. Look at that, yum. I want to double dip so bad, but I won't. I'm dainty like that. You guys, this Oreo dip is definitely a keeper. Leave me a comment letting me know what you plan to dip into this Oreo heaven, and tag me in your creations on social media. I absolutely love seeing what you make. Make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me. I'll see you in the next video. There are so many great easy dip recipes out there. I have a cookie dough dip recipe that you can make in 5 minutes. You don't want to miss it. You can check it out here. I'll see you there.